So, hello friends. Today we are going to introduce a product which is really popular these days to install a 360-degree panoramic view camera on can be installed in any car. Doesn't matter if it's a 15-year-old car or in a brand new model. This kit can be installed in any car. So today I'm going to show you what's inside the box here, what is the complete kit and the connections, how we can hook it up in our car. So let's open this box. So it comes with user manual. I guess one is in Chinese and the one is in English. So it's a 360-degree car DVR user guide. Won't go in much details here. So inside there is another two boxes. I think first we'll have a look in the small one. So it's saying full HD 1080p and got 6 film lens cameras, 170 wide angles, lossless installation. That's actually really nice packaging. Inside the remote, so it's in English and Chinese as well. You can switch to all of your cameras using this remote. And this looks like the main central processing unit. I'll leave it to that side as well. What else inside this box? So that's a hole saw to drill a hole on your left and right mirror for the left and right cameras. I got a card reader as well, so this thing does record all your cameras as well. And just some screws. So let's see what's in this big box here. Wow, so many cables in here with this one. So first, this one looks like a front camera, and the really good thing is that it came up with this insulation as well, just to protect it from heat, which is really good. Usually you don't see that in many products like this and like that, but this seems like really good quality camera. I can tell because been doing a lot of work with cameras, especially comes from China, and this is one of really good quality. So we should have 4 cameras here. One is for front, and that's for right camera. So yeah, it's just you have to drill a hole and you can stick this camera directly in that hole there on your right side or left side mirror. So that's the same camera as the left side or right side, they both same. And this is your reverse camera. So they have got all same type of connectors. So this is our main harness, simple connections will go. This one, the yellow one will go to battery, red one will go to accessory, black go to ground. All 4 cameras, you're going to hook them back here, and that's the one for USB here. So you can use a SD card, a card reader, USB directly to record all that stuff. So this one cable will go to your main monitor. So any monitor or any stereo, whatever you call it, which can take a RC as input, I believe it's supposed to work with that. It should be work with that. And this is your remote receiver. So this one will, just after making all those connections simple, this one will just go directly in here to your main central processing unit. Once all the connections make, it should be working fine. There is another thing in this box here, and that's your G sensor. So G sensor got 4 wires as well, battery, ground, 360 accessories. So you will connect this where your accessory for this 360 main going in, so you have to hook up both these together. And I think that's the blue one, yeah. And that red one you will connect to another accessory there, not with this one. So in that case, as your dual shock, or if some as a G sensor, if someone going to hit your car while it's in park mode, it's gonna activate your this module here to start recording. That's it for that. So I'll put another video while I'm gonna install this in one of car, and I'll show you how it's gonna work and the quality of this stuff. Thanks.